Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this reflective text effect on CapCut PC. So go to text and add in your default text. I'm just going to type in the word example. Actually, I'll just type in reflection, why not? And I'm going to change the font here to... just going to type in a font. Do I not have that here? Apparently not. Whatever, it's fine. I'll just use this one. I do not like how... Do I have basketball here? Here. I can't talk. God. Okay. Copy and paste that. Right click, create compound clip. Then you're going to rotate it twice. Place it down here. And you're going to just select mirror. Then if you want to, go to video and go to uniform scale and scale the height a little bit here. I then like to go to video mask and select the horizontal one. Let me just rotate that. And I'm just going to feather it out quite a lot, like so. And that's pretty much it, really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!